Guys, I recently purchased a shock sensor and a GPS linker unit for my vehicle. And I just want to let you guys know how easy it is to install. I purchased it from addshocksensor.com, and the purchase comes with an installation video. They make it really easy for you. Regular DIY people like you and I can do it and save yourself hundreds of dollars. So I highly recommend getting a shock sensor, which don't come with your factory alarm, and a GPS linker unit. Highly recommend, from addshocksensor.com. So you won't regret it, trust me. Peace. So here's a demonstration of my shock sensor. I just set the alarm. I'm gonna wait for that little light to pulse. Bang on the window. I got mine set light. It's not set on a real high shock sense. So I'm gonna just tap right here. There we go. Now I should get an alert on my phone shortly. Just gonna let that honk off a little bit. And there it is. There's my alert on my phone. You can't see my alert because I got my own phone and you can't see it, but there my alert. It's got a notification saying that my alarm was triggered. Perfectly working shock sensor and GPS linker unit.